Pocahontas by Aaron Edison. Early life. Pocahontas is a symbol of the early meeting of American Indian and English peoples. She was born around 1595. Her father, Chief Powhatan, led 30 tribes known as the Powhatan Confederacy. They lived in what is now Virginia. Growing up, Pocahontas learned to grow food and make pottery. She built houses and cared for other children. Life changed for Pocahontas and all the Powhatan peoples in 1607. English colonists arrived and built Jamestown. Young adult. The English and Powhatan traded with each other. The English needed food, and the Powhatan wanted copper and tools. Pocahontas sometimes went to Jamestown. During these visits, she met Captain John Smith, a leader of the colonists. Although they traded with each other, the English and Powhatan didn't always get along. More colonists began moving onto American Indian land. Fighting broke out between the two groups. In 1613, after more fighting, the English kidnapped Pocahontas. They told Chief Powhatan to give them corn and other goods in return for Pocahontas. But in order to protect his people, Chief Powhatan could not give in to the English. Adulthood. Pocahontas remained with the English. They expected her to read and speak English. She was told to dress like an Englishwoman. During her time with the English, Pocahontas married Englishman John Rolfe. Both the Powhatan and the English hoped this marriage would bring peace. For a few years, there was peace between the two groups. In 1616, Pocahontas, John Rolfe, and their son traveled to London, England. Pocahontas met the king and queen and saw John Smith again. She hoped her meetings with the English would help them respect her people. Remembering Pocahontas. Pocahontas became sick while in England. She died there in March 1617. Today, Pocahontas is remembered for an important role. She understood both English and American Indian ways of life.